pounds and up.
Okay guys, this is Doc with Spencer Creek Enterprises. I'm out here with Billof Rights, my brother, and we're going to see what we can do today. We caught us a few perch so we can use them for some cut bait, and we're going to try stink bait. We're going to try maybe some shrimp. We got some worms. We're going to do whatever we got to do to make sure we catch a fish. So stay tuned, guys.
Went down and came back up. I don't know if you can see the. It went completely down and came back up. You see, it's almost going down now.
Yep.
Something small was messing with it, huh?
Yeah. Wow. Took something off. That was my fish right there.
Huh?
That was the fish that this one was biting on this. Even if it ain't, that's my story. It's really hard to tell with that small of a bobber out there, you know. It's hard to see that bobber out there in this light. Man, that is a beautiful sky. He's not as big. He might be an eater. Yeah, I'll put him on the screen.
There's something biting that.
Little babies.
Got me a good one. It's not, I mean, it's not really, is it?
Anything I need to do to help you?
I do. We're not that good. We're not. Maybe this corner line is. Oh, man.
Well, that's a nice one.
Oh, wow, I ain't keeping a light out. Maybe I can get it out of your eyes. Yeah. Nice little channel cat.
That is a nice fish. That's a good looking fish. Man, that is a nice channel. You got the two biggest fish. That's disgusting.
Layer, huh?
Huh?
Lace style fish?
Yeah, just like it. Yep. I'd have kept that other little one too, just for fish. Oh, that's good. That's good. Right in the mouth.
Yeah. That one you get out, huh?
Yes.
Turn around so you're facing the camera.
I'm concerned about watching where that hook's at. nice fish.
Ed's catching all the kittens and Mark's catching all the cats.
Perfect eater size fish. I'm catching fish. He's going for the trophies, and ain't a one of them worth trophying.
That's working real good. Just run up, get my other pole. Biting going on. Looks like it might be worth my time to run up there and grab that other rod and slow this one in. Go through all that hassle. If I can throw one out over here.
5.
Maybe snarl. I might snarl some
5.
tooth on these.
And now he's starting to really get sweaty, and he wants to start catching the same kind of eating size fish I'm catching.
That's BS. He's catching kittens. I'm catching cats. Bet you edit that out.
Probably not.
I'm afraid I'll get a bite on you.
Where I can take them off, it'd be easy. Yeah, he took off with that one. I mean, just bigger than green gill snot, and I believe he swallowed it. Yep. Huh? Hey. Come on. Get my stuff off here. Yep, that's another eater. That thing, it keeps sucking. It did swallow it. Oh, crap. Six eaters. I got enough to put them all together and I'll have bigger trophies. Hey, stop it. Yeah, you're just one fish away, right? One good fish away, I hear it. I hear you. Man, I hate that when they do that. Ah. But I'll take it. Huh? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Swallow it?
Yep. I could go to a 4. I just don't know. I just don't know if it'd be worth it or not. And I can get these bags. It's just a pain in the butt. I gotta tell you guys, catching all these fish is wearing me out. But I'm going for another one.